So I had no issues. I met Misizulu here. When I first met Misizulu here, he was using a cousin as cover. Okay? Their mothers are sisters from the royal family of Swaziland. Okay? He brought this woman, introduced her to me as his girlfriend. Okay? Later on, I found out it was a cover. They were cousins. Misizulu was dating his cousin. Both of them. Cousins. Okay? Misizulu was using her as cover to show people that he dates women. But it was just a cover. Misizulu is a gay man. Okay? I did not know at the time. And Misizulu was very humble, very respectful, did not even drink at the time. Misizulu would beg me to take him to Washington, D.C. to get his weed. He smoked weed, but he didn't drink alcohol. He would watch us and look very, very sad drinking alcohol. Okay? And I asked him, Misizulu told me, he said, hey, angithanzi utshwala, meaning thanza stahla, meaning he likes weed. That's how he gets his high. He does not like this alcohol. He did. That's before he had a puzzer face like he has today. I can tell that he drinks today. Okay? Misizulu never used to drink and used to sit around with his cousin as cover that he was dating her. But really, Misizulu was a gay man. He is a gay man. Still a gay man today. So I have no issues. I continue to support Misizulu for the kingship even after I found out he was gay. I did not say anything about it. I wanted him to become king because you understand the way I've been exposed in America. I understand that there's nothing wrong with gay.